Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. Welcome to the feature presentation from Group 2. Our proposed topic for this reel is the construction of compacted embankments. But I would like to galvanize this title and call it the construction of green compacted embankments for sustainable cities. So the key words here are green, sustainable and embankment. The one GREET attributes to green environment which comprehends to the concern of environmental conservation, improved health of the environment. This includes supporting practices like informed consumptions, conservation practices and investment in renewable energy. On the other hand, sustainability focuses on meeting the needs of present without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their needs. The concept of sustainability is comprised of three pillars: economic, environmental, and social. But the vital question here is, what is an embankment?
The basic explanation of an embankment is that an embankment refers to a volume of compressed earthen materials, usually comprises of clay-like or rock-based materials, which is used to raise the grade of the road or railway above the level of the existing surrounding ground. This is for the purpose of to avoid a change in level required by the terrain. Also, embankment is used in water, which is in where it holds back water from going to the adjacent lands.
In the construction of the embankment, we are going to use fine and coarse sand for the first and second layer. The fine sand gives more stability against sandstorm, while the coarse sand plays a vital role improving strength of the mortar. In the next layer, we are going to use gravel along with fly ash. The gravel along with sand is used to protect the layer, while fly ash improves the workability, strength and durability of the layer in fresh or hardened state. For the edge of the embankment, concrete blocks which are flood resistant and strong due to mass and damping quality. And lastly, for the pavement, we will use asphalt as it creates the smoothest surface for walking and driving. The use of all these materials succeeds to increase the strength and stability factor for the embankment. The most common geotechnical problems we face in construction of embankment, especially at riverbanks, are erosion, breaching. The geotechnical failures occur due to stresses on the embankment exceeding the forces the embankment can accommodate. For example, oversaturation of the embankment following a lowering of the water level from the floodplain to normal levels. Poor water pressure in the saturated embankment reduces the frictional shear strength of the soil and increases sliding forces. This can be accentuated if the embankments had already been destabilized due to erosion of cohesionless sands, which undermines the embankment material and cause the embankment to collapse. Before the construction of embankment, different types of geotechnical construction methods and testing are used to ensure that compacted soils are placed uniformly and meets the requirement of the engineering properties. This is common in embankment construction to prescribe a combination of method and end result specification to ensure the quality of the construction. For example, method specification typically consists of source of construction materials, type of rocks and degree of weathering, particle size and distribution, upper limits of fines, Atterberg limits, maximum leaf thickness requirement, roller type and minimum roller passes, selection and placement of riprap. End result specification include specifying 95% of standard proto test, description of the required soil properties or embankment performance requirement. So this is the design of our embankment project. We plan to build it beside a river because it is the most common place where people will build an embankment to it. We have also included the layer of the embankment, which the materials for each of the layer are specified. Besides that, we also include the left side view, right side view and the plan view of our project.
Thank you populace for watching this video. We solemnly hope to construct such an embankment as our proposed model in the long run and be a hand of help for our alluring planet Earth.